Assignments, more specific values. Yeah, let us bring that in the can. Okay. So the question is, where is my pen? Oh, yeah. The question that Shaima has asked is sine theta. So sine theta by 1 minus cos theta and tan theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. And this is equal to sec theta into cos theta and plus cot theta. This is what we want to prove, right? So,
Sec theta into cosec theta.
oh, sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, sec theta into cosec theta. This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this we want to prove, right? And this is what? So this is 1 by sine theta or cos theta, right? 1 by cos theta into 1 by sine theta plus this is cos theta by sine theta, right? So this is ultimately we want to prove. This is our RHS. Okay, let's see. We can. So the goal is that we have to write all in the terms of sine theta and cos theta. So this is what? This is sine theta by LHS is what? Sine theta 1 minus cos theta and this is sine theta divided by this is cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. So this is this, right? And then we have what? So we have LCM, which is this is 1 minus cos theta, this is 1 plus cos theta. So this is what, guys? This is what? This is what identity? Yes, guys, tell me. 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta.
A plus b into a minus b.
A minus. So that is 1 minus cos square theta. Okay? And this is cos theta. Correct? Video log correct? So this is 1 minus cos theta. It is divided by, so I will get what? I will get sine theta and cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. And in here, what I will get? This is divided, so I will get sine theta and 1 minus cos theta. Right? So ultimately, what is this? 1 minus cos square theta is what? Yes? 1 minus cos theta is what, guys?
Uh, it is
Sine
equal
theta.
to
Yeah, sine square.
cot.
1 minus cos
Isn't
square
it
theta.
cot square equals cot square? Wait. Sin square, sorry. Sin square.
Not sin, it is sine.
Oh, I apologize.
Yeah, so this is sine square theta. Okay, so now let us simplify the numerator first. So numerator is sine theta cos theta and then it is sine theta into cos square theta and then we have sine theta and then minus of sine theta into cos. And then in the denominator we have what? So we can see that this is cancelling and this is what? This is sine square theta into cos theta. So ultimately, what we will get sine theta into cos square theta plus of sine theta and divided by sine square theta into cos theta. So what should we do? We have to reach here. What should we do, guys? What should we do, guys?
So where we have to reach?
We uh, we have to reach here. This is our RHS, right? We have got, so
Mm,
this is simplified. But we have to reach here. What should we do, guys? Yes, Shaima, Rizwan, Ashid, Amar, what should we do? Are you flying, Rizwan? So I can I can hear some wind.
yes. That's my fan, sir.
Oh, fan. Oh, who has joined? Two Amars. Okay. So
Can you hear me?
yes, Amar, we can. I can hear. Yes, yes.
Um,
Yeah. So
mm,
what should we do
so
next?
should we take the reciprocal?
Oh, why are you always what inspired with that reciprocal? So
Mm,
yeah, okay, okay. So how many terms are there in this part? How many terms are there?
mm,
Two.
Terms, right? And in here, how many terms? We have one term. So we have to get two terms. What should we do?
separation.
Separate. Yeah. Separate this. Did you say separate?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So separately we can write. So this is sine theta. What is that? What is that noise? Rizwan, what is that noise?
So I'll mute my that fan.
Yeah, because okay. So now what is canceling? This one is canceling. This one is canceling, and this one is canceling. So what finally what we will get? We will get cos theta by sine theta and 1 by sine theta into cos theta. So this is cot theta plus this is what? Sec theta into cosec. Understood, everyone?
Mm,
Yes, this is equal to
Yes,
this.
sir.
okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, Shaiba, understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please note it down. So only the idea is that we just write it in the sine and cos. Every term or every function we write in sine and cos. And then we simplify. Okay, so this is the only idea that we in this, at least in this exercise. So please note it down, guys. And any other doubt? Okay, so you guys quickly note it down, and whenever you have any, yeah, so whenever you note it down, please check.
Sir,
Yes,
so
yes.
why you put dots between the sin, cos, and things
Oh, so this is I write product as yeah. So this is product, right?
into,
Sine.
right?
Yeah, this is into yeah.
No, I
So
was asking, can we write like write directly without putting dots or
Yes, yes,
product.
yes. Of course. Yeah.
Okay.
This is my bad habit because I'm doing vectors, so I write. Okay, so I write dot as
Uh,
product.
okay,
Yeah,
sir.
we can write without the dots.
Mm.
Okay, noted, everybody. We have four questions and we have to, yeah. So I'll have to quickly let us quickly finish this chapter and then go to probability, and then we'll see because yeah. So Harshit, when is your exam? Yes, Harshit, when is your exam? Hmm. So 26 September. So we have ample amount of time to complete circles, right? So we can, yeah. Let's see after probability. Yeah. So after probability, we'll see what should we start, whether circle or and who has surface area and volumes in their exam.
So I forgot my question.
You forgot your question? Oh, so
Portion.
oh, you forgot your syllabus,
Yes,
or
sir.
oh, please start revising and start practicing all those questions that you have in your Learnivio portal, right? And
Okay,
whenever,
sir.
yeah, and because we have 3 hours, and in 3 hours we have lots of lengthy questions. So if we do one plus minus mistake, then it's all over, right? We cannot repeat that question. Then we have to. So that is why we have to
Mm.
practice to. Yes, noted, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where was? Yeah, so we were solving. Yeah, what is that sound, Rizwan? What is that clicking sound? Okay,
Nothing.
so we were solving this question. Okay, one moment. Uh, oh, let us quickly start. So let us. So we were doing this problem, right? And we reached where? So we reached here, right? So up to this point, you guys had no doubt. So now let us move further, right? And we have to prove what? So what was the right hand side? Right hand side was 1 plus sec theta into cos sec theta. Yeah, this one was the right hand side. So as yeah, as Rizwan said, the identity of a cube minus b. Let's put that value. So that is sine, or that is a minus b, and then a square plus ab, and then b square, right? And then cos theta, and then sine theta minus cos. So in the numerator, did you guys see something peculiar? Yes, in the numerator, in the
Mm.
second
Sin
factor.
and cos. Sin cos.
So everywhere is sine, cos,
Oh, sorry,
and
side cos.
yeah. So I in
Uh,
my yeah. So in my first few months of trigonometric classes, I also used to say this sin and cos. So Okay. Yes. So it is sine, right? Yeah.
Okay.
So what is
Uh,
peculiar about the second factor?
you
Yeah.
can cancel sine minus cos and another sine minus cos.
Okay. So this one is cancelling, right? Okay. But I'm asking about.
Another one.
So this is we know, right?
Mm,
Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Do we know?
you know what?
Yes. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta, guys? This one.
One. Yeah, one.
One. So yes, Hashid, Shaima, and Amar. Why are you guys not replying? Oh, I should not
Now we
write this
can
one.
cancel
I have
that
bad
sine.
memory.
No problem.
Uh-huh. Okay. Are
Now
you saying that
that
we can cancel this one and this one?
can. Oh no, we can't. I forgot.
So
We
what is
can't.
this? Yes, we cannot, right? What is this plus? Yes, sir, I'm not
Mm,
familiar with the identities yet. Okay. Okay, Hashid. Yeah, so always, yes, always remember. Okay, Hashid. So, yes, and what is the other one? So, so always remember these. So these are the three identities, right? And whenever we change it to sine and cos, so this would be the only identity that we will. Okay, Hashid, Shaima, and Amar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so again, same question. We have how many terms in the RHS? Where is that? So we have how many terms in the RHS?
one, two terms.
Two terms. And so what should we do in here?
We can make that one square, and we can make a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b. A square plus b square.
Where is that a square plus b square?
Like that, right, sir?
So we can separately write. We have this one, right? We have, let's say, a plus b by c. So we can write this as a by c plus b by c, right? Separately, we can write,
Yes, yes.
right? So this is 1 by sine theta into cos theta, and then we have sine theta. So now this is Rizwan's favorite thing. So now we can cancel, right? So this is
Yeah.
cancelled, this is cancelled, and we have 1. So I'm writing this one first. So this is 1 plus 1 by sine theta is what? Or 1 by cos theta is sec theta, and then 1 by sine theta is cosec. So this is our RHS. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No,
Okay, so
sir.
please note down this part. So this was the important thing in this question. In taking the LCF, so we had to figure out that these are just related by minus. So their difference is just only the minus. And whenever you guys have noted it down, please tell. Okay, so this was my question, and then next question is Rizwan, and then Shaima, and then Hashid, and then Aman. So
Sir, can you scroll it down?
yeah, everyone has noted. I am going from here to here. You guys write that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we are finishing up to trigonometry part. So we what was the chapter that you guys found difficult? A little bit difficult. Yes,
Maybe this chapter.
this chapter. So this only uses those three identities.
Mm, no, I forget that like that thing is equal to one by that thing.
Oh, okay,
Mm,
reciprocal one.
yeah, it's
Yeah, so whenever you guys find any difficulty in any of the chapter, tell me and we will discuss those topics again. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yes, and it goes for you also, Amar, Hashid, and Shaima. So, Hashid, for you, which chapter you found difficult? Yes, Hashid. So far, no chapter. Good, good, good. Shaima and Amar, what about you guys? Yes, which chapter? Okay, you guys, please note it down and tell me if you have noted. So then we will quickly go to the next set of questions. Okay. Please tell me whenever you have noted it down.
Okay, sir.
Yes, noted everyone. Yes, guys,
Done,
noted.
sir. On
Okay, so now let us erase this one and so if we are able to complete this chapter in 15 minutes or so, so then we'll toss the coin and roll the dice. Okay. So okay, so now what is the next question? Oh, we have lots of questions. Let us quickly do this. Yes, there is one. So this is your question, right? Fourth one.
mm,
So 1 plus sec A and divided by sec a, and this is sine square a and 1 minus cos. This is equal. So these are, we have to prove these ones. So we can see that from the hints also, we have to simplify both ones, right? So let us,
Mhm.
this one is easy, or let us write this one. So this is LHS. So whenever we say these kind of equations, so we write
You
it
have to
in what?
separate it. A plus
Not,
C plus A by C plus B by C.
okay, so not like that.
Yeah,
I am saying, okay, so if I write 1 by sec a and then 1, so
sec
this
by
is
sec.
what?
Sec A by
Okay, so
sec A.
sec by sec. Okay, sir. Okay, boss.
Mhm.
Sec a by sec a. So this is 1. So we have 1 by sec a is what?
uh, 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 1 by sec A was uh,
Okay.
uh,
Yeah, turn the pages. Yes, turn. Yes, Shaima and Hashid and Amma, you guys also can answer. What is
Cos.
one cos, right? So this is cos. So Shaima has saved it in her memory, right? Rizwan? But
I got this
turning over
call.
the,
Yeah, yeah.
so this is 1 plus cos, right? We cannot simplify this further, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
now let us write this RHS. So this is sine square a by 1 minus cos. Okay. So in the left hand side we have what? Cos, right? So the idea should be in the right hand side that we have to write it all the terms in which form? Yes, Rizwan.
Sir, can you repeat?
In the left hand side we have the function of the cos,
Mm,
right? We have only the function of cos. So in the right hand side, we want only the function of what?
function of course.
Function of cos, right? So how can I write sine square a as function of cos?
Hmm.
Again, remember the identity. So yeah,
It was
Shaima, Ashed, Amar. Yes,
1 minus cos A.
one
it is
minus.
tan.
It is tan, which is tan.
No, it's
You guys,
so
so you
what's
guys,
reciprocal of sin?
right?
Oh, like that.
So
Yes, yes, yes.
So always we are seeing that we are only using this identity, right? So
Mm,
okay, now we have to reach here. Harshit, Shama, Amar, and Rizwan. We have to reach here. So which means that something should be cancelled out, right? So we cannot simplify this
yes.
part. We cannot simplify this part. So what we can do in here? Yes.
Cos will uh, cos will be cancelled by cos square,
Eh? So
and it,
you are cancelling out this square with cos.
mm,
So what is these minus signs are doing?
uh,
Okay, this we have done earlier. So the similar thing we did in which question? In this question, I guess.
first one.
So yeah, in the first one we used that. So yes, guys. tell me, what should we do with this 1 minus cos square A? Okay, I can write 1 as 1 square. So this is your hint.
What, sir?
I can write
Oh
1 as,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Now we'll use a square minus b square.
yes, good. So this would be what? 1 minus and 1 plus. So this is cancelled and this is what? 1 plus cos A, which is LH, right? So this is,
Mm,
yeah, this is the idea of this question. Okay, so you guys quickly note it down and then we'll do the uh, what? Fifth question. Yes, noted, guys.
done, sir.
Harshit, Shaima, Amal, what about you guys?
Done.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, so now let us erase. Okay, now Shaima, this is your turn, right? So we have to, yeah, we have to simplify this big term, right? Cos A minus sine A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sine A minus 1. Right, and this we have to prove this is equal to cos A and plus cotec, or this is cosec A plus cotec. So this we have to prove, right? So what we can do in this, what we can do in here, and remember we have to use this identity, cosec square A. So we have to use this identity, cosec square A equals to 1 plus cot square. So this identity we have to use. Yes, what should we do? In here, what should we do, guys? Oh, so this is
So,
Shaima's.
okay.
This is Shaima's turn, right? So what should we do? Let us take LHS. So in LHS, Shaima, what we can do? Yes, Shaima, what we can do in LHS? Whenever we have rational thing, whenever we face any rational term, so then what do we do, Shaima? Yes, in that case, what do we do, Shaima? Yes, Shaima. This is this is a very big number, right? So how can we simplify this LHS? Any idea? Anything that is coming into your mind, Shaima. Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Rizwan.
So what did you do at that formula?
Oh,
Like
this is
cosec
this
square
is the
A.
identity. Yeah, this is the identity. Cos x square a equals to 1 plus cos square. So this is the identity. Yes, okay. So let's say, let me give you one hint, Shaima. So this is A and this is B, right? This is A plus B. So in this case, we have this rational number. So to simplify this rational number, what do so what can you do now?
Use formula.
Yeah, rather is one. What are you saying?
Use formula.
Which formula?
A plus B.
Yes. So A plus B is what?
Mm,
Yes, Hashim,
uh,
Rizwan, Amar, Shaima,
so,
anything that is.
sine
We
cos we can
separated
make sine cos will change to
Yes,
1.
yes, Shaima, what did you say?
separated.
Separate. So this is not a whole term, right? We cannot separate this. So we have not something like sine into cos into something like that, right? 1 plus this one. Let's say cos something into something. So then we can separate 1 by this, and so this is already in plus, right? So the simplest thing we can
So
do
can
is
we write? Oh, okay.
yes, 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 Rizwan. Whatever is coming into your mind.
I thought
So
we can make sine cos minus a cos a minus sine a into 1.
no, no, into one.
No,
The
no, into 1. I N T O.
yeah, yeah, into so into
We'll
one.
change into 1. Can change into 1.
No, that is there is no square, right? Okay,
Hmm.
rationalize is the answer. So whenever we get something like factor one, so in this one, and what more? So whenever we have these kind of questions, right? Rational numbers. So then we simply rationalize the whole term. Okay. So if I have this a plus b, so I can rationalize it with a minus. This is cos a minus of sine a and plus 1 divided by cos a minus of sine a plus 1. This is, or if I simply write it as, so if I write it as this one, so you can also write it like this. I don't know whether I would be able to use this identity or not. Let's see. So this is the idea. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is how we rationalize. So after rationalizing, you can see that this is what? This is cos A minus sine A plus 1. And this is also cos A minus sine A plus 2. And in the denominator, we have
Now we can
A.
square.
Yeah, so we have A square and minus of B square. Am I correct, guys? Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay, so now let us solve it further. So what you get? So this would be what? This is a minus b or a plus b plus c whole square, right? So that is a square
Cos square A minus sine square A plus sine square A.
plus
Oh,
Oh,
plus.
so
So
what
it's
is,
minus, right?
yeah, so this is what? This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2bc plus
Oh,
2.
okay, okay, okay.
So first thing is a into b. A is what? A is cos and b is minus. So this would be minus of 2 cos a into sine. And then we have what? Then we have 2bc. So b is this and c. So minus of 2 sine. And then plus of 2 cos. So this would be, and in denominator, what do we have? We have cos square a and then minus of sine square a minus of 2 sine a and plus of 1. Right. So this is what we have. And then what? So this is what, guys? This is what?
1.
This is 1. So 1 plus 1 minus of 2 cos a and into sine a and minus of 2 sine a and plus of 2 cos. So this is this. And in denominator, what do we have? Cos square a minus sine square a plus of 2 sine a and minus of 1. Right. So this is what we have. Now you guys tell me that how can we simplify this further? So we have in the numerator 2 minus 2 cos a into sine a minus 2 sine a plus 2 cos a and this is cos square a minus sine square a plus 2 sine a and minus of 1. So everybody, now tell me that to simplify this further, what we can do?
We can square the 2.
We can square the, we can square what?
I mean, not, we can make the 2 minus 2 change into 2 and we can put brackets on cos and like that.
Hmm,
Take 2 common.
take 2 common.
Yeah,
Yeah,
take
this.
the cover. Thank you.
Okay, so we can, yeah, this is one answer. We can take 2 common. And other than that, okay, so let us take 2 common. So 2 is common. This is 1 minus cos a into sine a and minus of sine a and plus of cos a. So in denominator, what we can do?
Mm,
Yes,
we can make 1. We can again make that cos square minus a cos square a minus square a 1 sine square a 1.
cos square a minus sine square a 1.
So we can make it 1.
No, no, cos square a plus sine square is 1. Yes, Hashi,
Hmm?
Hashi, the more you guys are so silent today. What is happening? Any idea?
Oh, okay, okay.
Yes, what we can do further, guys? See the denominator. See the denominator. All the quantities are in the form of sine, right? Except this first guy. So what we can do in here? Yes, what we can do here, guys? Okay. So
Uh,
this is sine, this is sine. So now we can get rid of this cos square a. So we have sine square a plus cos square a equals to 1. So cos square a would be 1 minus sine square. Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
So let us write this as 1 minus sine square a minus sine square a and plus of 2 sine a and
Uh,
minus 1. So now this one is cancelling. This is what? So this is
so I didn't understand, sir.
yeah. So I have just changed this cos square a as this
Oh, okay, okay.
right from here.
Mm,
Okay, so this is and you guys see that you guys will see that why did I do that? So minus sine a plus cos a and then this is 2 sine a minus 2 sine square. Is this correct, guys? Correct.
yes, sir.
Okay, so then what we can do in here? So we can take 2 common. 2 sine a is cos, and we have 1 minus sine a. Okay, so you guys see the first and third term. In first and third
We
term, we have
can.
1 minus sine a, right?
Mm,
So I can write 1 minus sine a. Then I have this cos a and minus cos a sine a. So I can take cos common. So this would be 1 minus sine. So this
oh,
2 cancel. I have 1 minus sine a common. So this is 1 plus cos a divided by sine a and 1 minus sine a. So this is cancelling and what do we have? We have 1 by sine a or 1 plus cos a divided by sine. So now as Shaima said, we can separate these two terms. So 1 by sine a plus cos a by sine. So this is what? Cosec a plus cot a. Okay, but I didn't use the, this is equal to RHS, right? So this is
mm,
equal to RHS, so, but I didn't use this identity, right? So without using this identity, we can also, or if we want to prove this identity, so then what we can do? Uh, okay, we will think about that later, right? So we'll think about,
yes.
so to use this identity, we have to divide this by cos and something like that. So forget about that. Okay, without using this identity, we can prove this much. So the ultimate goal was to prove this thing. And
Mm,
do you guys have any doubt in this part?
yes. Can we make this more? Can we do this in a more simple way?
So are you making fun of me? Okay.
No,
So
just is there a simple way? I'm just asking.
is there a simple way? So what we can do, what I can think of is that we'll have to change all these terms in cosec and
What?
cot, right?
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
if we change these term in cosec and cot A, so then we can think of that whether it is simpler or not. So okay, I will do that. Oh, I have only 7 minutes. So you guys please note it down and then I will talk about that.
Okay, sir.
So how many questions do we have? We have oh, one, two, three, four. So I will give these questions as you. Okay, so the
What?
next is Hashid's turn. So
Sir, can you scroll down?
because I don't want to complicate things, right? One thing that I have told you guys that write all the terms in sine and cos, and then what do we do? Then we simplify. So this is the one trick, right? But I don't want to right explore so many tricks because that would be confusing. So that's why, okay,
Okay, sir.
let me try if I can do it in another way also or not.
Mhm.
So let me try that, right? Let me
Yes.
try your question. The question your way, Rizwan.
What? Okay, sir.
Yeah. So
There is someone behind you.
someone not this time, not this time. Okay. Noted everybody.
Yes, sir.
Who is joining now? Who is joining now? Yeah. Hello, Shreyash. Hi. Where have you been? How's your health?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. So how's your health?
Sir, actually, I was suffering from fever, which was exceeding by 105 degrees Fahrenheit, and I was admitted.
Oh, you were admitted in the hospital. Oh God. So are you okay now?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So 105 at 10 or at 99 and 102. So body becomes yeah, what very fragile, right? You can't
Yes,
move,
sir.
and you had 105. Oh God.
Yes, sir. 105 degree Fahrenheit.
Yeah, yeah. So that is a very high temperature, right? Normal body temperature is 96.8, right? So or whatever,
Yes, sir.
95. So that is, and if the body temperature just increase by 1 degree or 2 degrees, so it becomes very uncomfortable. But you had 105. That is okay. So how many days you were in the hospital? Yes. How many days you were
Sir,
in the
three.
hospital? 1 week. That took a
Sir,
lot.
three.
3 days, 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. So
Sir, actually, I am not in my hostel. I am in my home.
yeah, yeah, because you are supposed to be in your home when you are not well, right? Because
Yes, sir.
you,
Actually, my home is in Nagpur, Maharashtra.
oh, you Nagpur. Oh, okay. So yeah, your home is Nagpur. Okay, so how's everything in your home?
Sir, better.
Better. Good, good, good. Okay, so what I will do is that yeah, you missed so many classes. So I will yeah, we are taking the extra classes. So please join those classes if you are well. Yeah, if
So
if
when, at which time?
at 9 p.m. IST, right? So at 9 p.m. IST on Monday and on Wednesday, we have these backup classes. So please join that also, right? If your body is well,
Today too?
today, yeah, today as well. So,
Sure, sir. I will join.
okay, so noted everybody. Yeah, I'll come back to you.
Sir, last part, sir.
Last part. Oh, please note it down. And Shesh, your school has reopened also, right?
Sir, I have ha half yearly exams from 25th of August.
25th of August. And what is the syllabus of that exam?
So first to 8th chapter and 15th one,
15. Oh,
probability.
probability. Okay, yeah. So Okay, yeah, I'm starting the what eighth chapter in the next batch. So yeah, and in the backup classes, I'm doing the third and fourth exercise, third and fourth chapter. So yeah, I
Sure,
guess
sir. Thank you, sir.
yeah, good. So in the batch, the eighth and 15th chapter will be done, and in the backup classes, six or 3 to 6 chapter or 3 to 7 chapter. But you were there in the triangles. When we were doing the triangles, you were there, right?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So I guess that the syllabus, uh, yeah, before 25th of August, we would be able to complete. Noted, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I
Yes,
got
sir.
the date sheet too.
Yeah, exam sheet or syllabus or what?
The date sheet too.
Oh,
Date sheet, exam
date
sheet.
sheet. Oh, date sheet, date sheet. Okay. And when is your maths exam?
Sir, third exam on 28th.
Oh, on 28th. Okay. Also, when is the exam starting? When is the first exam?
Sir, 25, social studies.
Oh, 25th. Okay. So yeah, start revising all those chapters, right? And
Yes, sir.
whenever you find any problems, so in math,
And sir, my
yes.
mock assessments are also going on.
Okay.
MA
Yeah. So mock assessment. Yeah, practice those questions.
of
Whenever,
15 marks.
yeah. So whatever has been asked in your mock assessment, so practice those questions as well, right?
Sure, sir.
Okay, Rizwan, Hashid, and Shaima and Amar. So, as Rizwan was asking, right, what could be the other way? So, what we can do in here is that change all these in cosec and cot. So, how can we do that? We have to change cos A, sin A, one these kind of thing in cosec and cot A. So, how can we do that? Yes, how can we change?
Mm,
Hmm.
uh,
So, how
take,
can I have to change it in cosec or cot. Write all these terms in cosec or cot. So how can I do that? Okay, let me simplify the question. I have this cos A, so I have to change it either cosec A or cot A. So what should I do with this cos A so that I can change it to either cosec A or cot A? Yes,
uh,
this one, Shaima, okay, Hashid, and Amar. Please tell me. I have cosy and I have to change it to where either cosec or cotec. Oh, who Amira has joined, Abir has joined. Yes, guys.
Kote.
Yeah, I
uh,
can change it to cotec. Good, good. So what should I do? Yeah, I can, yes, absolutely right answer that I can change it to cotec. Cosy, I can change it to cotec. How? Yes.
take its reciprocal.
Walaikum salam, Amira. Yes. Yes, yes, Rizwan, what did you say?
Take its reciprocal.
Reciprocal. You you don't think about any reciprocal. Okay, so yeah, stop thinking about reciprocals, Rizwan, right?
Mm,
Okay, so we can divide it by sign.
uh,
Understood?
then it will change to
Yeah, so then
then
this
it will
would be
change
cos.
to tan.
Mm-hmm. Cos A by sin A cot, right? So if
Uh,
so this is my cos A, right? So if I am dividing this with sin A, then I'll have to divide all the terms. all the terms by sine A. So this is by sine A, 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 and again sine A minus 1 by sine. So what is the benefit of this division? So this is cot A, this is 1, this is cosec A, this is cot A, this is 1, and this is cosec. So this is the benefit. Okay. And then you rationalize, and then you will see that what is the answer. So this is cot A, and this is 1 minus. So this is A, and this is B. So then you rationalize, and then you will get your answer. So then you use this cosec square A minus cot square A equals to 1. Understood, guys? Understood?
Mm, yes, sir.
So you try this question this way, and okay, so this would be your homework. And I will send you other homeworks as well. But you try this question in this. Yes, Rizwan. So this can be the other method. Understood?
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
I don't know. I don't know whether we'll get an answer or not. Right? This is in the middle. So yeah.
Mm, okay.
Okay, you guys try to find out whether we'll get the answer or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, Rizwan, Shaima, Hashid, and Amar. See you guys on Wednesday. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Allah Hafiz.
Love it.
Okay, so who just joined recently? Faiz, Abir, and Amar. Oh, so oh, you are Amar Hussain, right? Are you the new Amar? Yes. Hello, Amar. Amar, can you hear me? So because we have two Amars, right, Amar? So which one are you? Are you the so is this your first class, Amar? This is very confusing, guys. Yes, hello, Abir, Amira, and Faiz. I have already talked to Shreyas. So, yes, Assalamu alaikum, Abir, Amira, and Faiz, guys. And Amar, which Amar are you?
Salam, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good, I'm good. And pray for Shreyas. So, Shreyas was not well since what? How many days? Since a week or 2 weeks. So, you guys pray for Shreyas' health, okay? Yes, guys.
Yes,
Very
sir, inshallah.
yes. Oh, so oh, I I don't know. So which Amar was that? Okay. So now let us start what we were doing, right? We were on this Trigo thing. So Shreyas, let me repeat this for you. Right. So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So we have what are the trigonometric ratios? Okay. So what are the trigonometric ratios? So these are ratio which relates side of the triangle, sides of the triangle with the angle. So this is what the trigonometric ratios do.